She called for help. An ambulance came. But when it left, her children were gone. No charges. No abuse. Just gone. What Child Protective Services did to this mother will make your blood boil. In 2019, Tanisha Williams, a single mother from Kansas City, called 911 because her 4-year-old daughter had a seizure. Tanisha did what any good mother would do. She panicked, she cried, and she begged for help. But that one emergency call would set off a nightmare that no one prepared her for. The paramedics came. Her daughter was fine. No signs of abuse. No neglect. But the hospital flagged the case for concern, simply because Tanisha looked overwhelmed and was crying too much. CPS was called. Within 48 hours, all 3 of Tanisha's children were taken by the state. No charges, no hearing, no warning. Just a knock at the door, and they were gone. What was the reason? CPS cited emotional instability and said she needed time to get herself together. But Tanisha wasn't an addict. She wasn't violent. She had no criminal record. She was just a mother in distress. For 13 months, she fought the system, paid for parenting classes, passed every drug test, attended every court hearing, and yet the reunification kept getting delayed. CPS workers kept changing. Paperwork kept getting lost. The judge said the children were adjusting well to foster care. Tanisha didn't give up. She found an attorney who agreed to work for free. Her church raised money for her legal battle. Local activists rallied, holding signs that read, "Being poor is not abuse." Finally, in 2021, after nearly 2 years, the court ruled that the children must be returned. But the damage had already been done. Her youngest didn't recognize her. Her oldest had nightmares. And Tanisha? She was diagnosed with PTSD. No apology, no compensation, no accountability. CPS claimed they were acting in the best interest of the children. But what about the mother who was never abusive, who simply needed support, not punishment? Today, Tanisha works with other mothers who've had their children taken for vague, unexplained reasons. She says, "I wasn't a bad mom. I was a black mom crying in a white hospital. That's what made them afraid." How many more mothers are losing their kids because of bias, assumptions, or poverty? How many cries for help are met with punishment? Leave a comment if this broke your heart. Share this story, because the system won't fix itself until we demand that it does.